Hello guys, welcome to YJ Talks. Today we already seen first intro of Japanese in first video, and it also tell about hiragana, but I not depthly tell about just speak only. So in part 2 I depthly tell tips and tricks for hiragana, and in part 3 we see about compost composed of sounds with ya, you, yo words. So let's get into the video. First, you know how to part 4. You first subscribe and like. Okay, let's go into the video. Hello guys, welcome to YJ Talks. Today we learn about sounds composed with ya, you, yo. Okay. First, we to video see about here what is intro of Japanese, intro of hiragana and katakana, and next part 2 video we see about tips and tricks for hiragana and how to easily understand hiragana. Uh, if I now we see about sounds composed with ya, you, yo. The screen I share. Wait. Okay, let's go into the video. Let's start. Okay, first of all, what is ya, you know, in hiragana there are ya, yo. Symbol. Ya means this like wave. U means n and one slash. Yo means like t. Okay, what is sound composed with? Sound when a small ya, you, yo is added to the syllables is that is not I, that is E column except vowel E itself. We get contrast sound like wait I tell all through contact sound within the two hiragana character. They pronounce a single syllable. The E sound is the first syllable decay and the consonant followed by Y sound. Y means ya, you, yo. Sounds on the vowel. Like we say first key. Key, no. We use only key, chi, chu, not chu. Key. Okay. What means key? Key, key, chi, me, re. That E sound coming, no, that only we using this ya, you, yo. If first example I show one key plus ya kya kiya we compressions kiya that E was silence. Next we tell that kya. Next key plus you q, key plus yo kyo. Okay, this tongues are twist because this was an Japanese language, so that this particular part's tongue was some twist, but we speak. Okay, key plus ya kya. We put key. What is key symbol? Like key symbol like, and we using ya, so we write ya in slightly small distance. Yeah, not lightly. After we write key, some space down we write ya. That means kya. In question they ask like this, you not confuse. Tell this was ki ya. Oh, this was down, so this is kya. Okay, that's like key plus you, down having you and up having key. Key plus you don't. Oh, what is? Don't like do that. Only q like down means that is long, sound composed. Okay, அப்போ key plus u, q. That like only q plus u, q. Okay, I show some more example. This only key I show that. Okay, where is, okay. Yeah, she also having, no, she for she. Where is she? Wait a minute. Yeah, this one is important. Like key plus ya, kya. Key plus you, q. Key plus you, q. Next she plus ya, sha. Shu, shu. Cha, chu, chu. Nya, nyu, nyu. Ya, you, yo. Nyam, nyu, nyu. Next ra, ru, ro. Next goya means gya. Yeah, wait. Yes. Gya, gyu, gyo. Ja, ja, ja. Ja, ju, jo. Bya, byu, byo. Pa, pyu, pyo. That like only we write. Okay, we write for only that E series. E means I. English letter I, but we pronounce Japanese as E. Okay, that's all. Today we see about only this sound composed with ya, you, yo. Once again I tell what is sound composed with ya, you, yo means if we write E series and next letter down as any word, not any word, ya, you, yo word, that means ipo ki ya means kya. That like only if you see in Japanese, don't confuse, this is sound composed with ya, you, yo only. Okay guys, thank you. Let's see in another video.